our pro tips for going to an RV show.
Pro tips on being at an RV show. How to buy an RV, getting educated, and how to build a community.
Another pro tip for coming to an RV show is the information booth, because the ladies that work in here have a wealth of information, and that's not all. They have an app. So this app will tell you everything that's happening, where to go, why to go, and all that information. You can even sign up for things online here. They also have programs that they give out for free, and they sell hats and they sell t-shirts, all at the information booth. Look at this map that they have. Pro tip, you'll want to come and get your information at the information booth.
Being at an RV show, you could get caught up in all the excitement and energy of the show. Our caution to you is don't get all caught up and then impulse buy.
An RV show is the perfect place to build your personal community. You can sit and talk like these folks are and ask questions of each other, because guess what? You don't know what you don't know.
Our next pro tip is on getting educated while at an RV show. Today, we're talking about seminars, and seminars are a great way to get a lot of content, a lot of information, and meet other RVers.
Don't be afraid to look at every nook and cranny. Make sure that there's everything in here that you want. Look at this. This even has a power plug out here in the home.
Pro tips as to what to bring with you when you come to an RV show. First of all, comfortable shoes. You are going to be walking a lot, so comfortable shoes, a sweatshirt because you're going to be in where it's hot, out where it's cool. Also, a credit card. So some of the booths inside here are cashless. Some places you need cash, so bring both. The other thing we recommend, especially if you're looking for an RV, you want a recording device. Your phone works great, a notepad to jot stuff down. Those are the pro tips for what to bring to an RV show. Memberships is another great thing to learn about here at an RV show. RV Life Pro is a membership you should absolutely have. And you could talk to Patrick, who's the industry liaison, and get all of your questions answered.
RV shows can be really overwhelming.
Yes.
You know, we just did some tips on how to get through it. Give me your number one tip, how to get through an RV show.
Come in with a game plan, know what you want to see, and take a look at everything. Don't be brand specific or loyal. Like a floor plan, go around to different manufacturers. Say, hey, I like this Bounder 35K. What do you have that's similar?
Right.
Don't stay loyal to a brand because everybody makes great RVs.
And I'm going to say, if you're looking for an RV, call Matt from Matt's RVs.
Because I got to tell you, I have to pay a royalty now. I'll tell you what, though. I'll tell you what. This man right here is probably the most knowledgeable man in the RV business. If you're going to buy an RV, this is the guy that you want to do it with. From Hershey, Pennsylvania, with my incredible wife, Patti Hunt, and my next wife, Matt from Matt's RV, I'm Dan Hunt saying have a great rest of today.
And an even better day tomorrow.